Welcome back, newbies. I'm Carly from Nutrition Newbies, and I'm here to teach you some healthy habits to make living a healthy lifestyle less overwhelming and more enjoyable for your busy schedule. So today we're making something a little bit more St. Patrick's Day themed since that holiday is coming up. And side note, I hope you enjoy that I found a green shirt in my closet to wear for this video because honestly, I don't have that much green stuff. So I wanted to make this video because with St. Patrick's Day coming up, I know it's really fun to celebrate with treats and snacks, but you don't necessarily want those processed foods or that extra refined sugar added to everything you eat. So we're actually going to make two different recipes today. One is the healthy shamrock shake, which I'm sure you've seen those shamrock shakes everywhere at McDonald's around this time of year. So we're going to make a healthier version of that. And then we're going to make some mint chocolate nice cream. Yeah, nice cream. So if you've never heard of that take on traditional ice cream, you are in for a treat. Get it? So we're going to make those two recipes today. Are you ready? Let's go. So for this nice cream, you're going to start with some peppermint extract. You can get that in the baking section. For super ripe bananas, the more ripe, the better. A couple of handfuls of baby spinach, some unsweetened almond milk, and some semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I just dumped these frozen bananas. You can see I'm kind of spilling them everywhere. They kind of got stuck together in the freezer as well. But I'm putting this all into my food processor. You could put this into a blender as well if you don't have a food processor. And then I'm putting the spinach on top. And it's super full at first, but once you blend it down, it'll all be nice and good. Now I'm pouring my milk over that. Stick the lid on after you put on some peppermint extract, so literally just 2 to 4 drops. And then you stick the lid on and you blend it up. So you're gonna pulse it for a little bit. You might need to turn it on for a while just to get everything all liquefied, and you might need to take off the lid once or twice as well. Turns into this beautiful green color, and then add those chocolate chips and just pulse a few more times until they're all incorporated evenly. Then you have this beautiful bright green nice cream, and it's so refreshing and delicious. You're gonna love it. So for the healthy shamrock shake, I have the almond milk, vanilla, and extracted 1 bowl, some ice, some plain Greek yogurt, again, a couple handfuls of baby spinach, and a banana. This one is just as simple as the other recipe where we're just gonna throw everything together. And this time it's just gonna be in a blender, and you could use the food processor if you want as well, but I feel like the blender is the best for a shake. So I'm just throwing my banana in. This time you don't need to freeze the banana. Then I put my yogurt and my ice in, adding the almond milk, vanilla, and a couple drops of peppermint extract. And if you add too much extract, it becomes really bitter. So again, just make sure you only do a few drops of that. And I'm putting in the spinach at the top. Just gonna put it all together, put a lid on, and blend it until it's all smooth. You can see it's this bright green color, just like the nice cream, and it is super delicious. So, what'd you think? Full transparency moment. I tried out that nice cream recipe a couple times before I filmed it here, just because I wanted to make sure it was completely perfect for you if you gave it a try. And oh my goodness, it has been a weekly staple or a daily staple and something that I've been taking a couple bites of every single day after dinner. I literally have some right here. I love it. So if you finish watching this video and now you're thinking, I need some more meal prep resources and I need some more recipes and quick and easy tips, I have a video for you that you're going to love. So I actually have a meal prep dump dinners video, which if you've never heard of dump dinners, it's meals that, you guessed it, you dump into your crock pot and you completely forget for the day for 6 or 7 hours while you're busy at work or doing other things. So these meals require no babysitting or no cooking, and they're just these incredible foods that you can whip up super easily, and they're perfect for meal prep for lunch or for dinner. So to grab the private link for that video for those incredible dump dinner recipes, go ahead and check out the description box below where I'll have the link for that dump dinner video. I'll see you over there, and I'll see you soon with another Meal Prep With Me video. Bye!